of non-perfect squares, the roots of non-perfect square, or even the roots of prime numbers. So we'll today perform operations. बड़ा easy है, देखते हैं. आइए धीरे-धीरे let's start. So the first few things we should remember. Please enter the house of somebody with the footwear opened outside. Similarly, a radical sign, this is also called root or a radical. A radical is not allowed in the denominator. So what do? You are supposed to rationalize it. And the way you rationalize it is that now, hang on. Is this an irrational number? This is irrational, right? And an irrational in the denominator. In the denominator is something that is not desired or not allowed. So what should you do? You have to convert this irrational into a rational number. And this process is known as rationalizing. You have to convert an indisciplined child to a disciplined child. This process is called disciplining. So you have to convert an irrational to rational. This process is called rationalizing. Okay. And rationalizing means you multiply the numerator and denominator. So I want the computer, I want the camera on. I had told last class also. And without camera, I won't allow to join. And that's a rule I had set in the first class itself. So please either get the camera on or you have, I will not allow to join. Yeah. And next time I won't give that reminder. If you are joining with a laptop, please keep the camera on and don't do anything that, all of you, don't do things that, kill the pleasure of the class. Okay. 1 upon root 3. 1 upon root 3 has got a rational number. We are supposed to rationalize it. And the way you rationalize it is you multiply the denominator and numerator by the same irrational number. So now this number becomes what? Root 3. And the root 3 into root 3 is how much? 3. If you have some confusion about it, then it's very easy. Root 3 can be also represented as 3 to the power half. Grade 8 you had learned nth root of any number a can be represented as, fine. So if you have two root 3's, okay, suppose I have a root 3 multiplied by a root 3, this is 3 to the power half multiplied by 3 to the power half, which is 3 as common, and these add up, and when this add up it becomes 1, so it's a 3 to the power 1, which is 3. This is the explanation which you don't need. This is how you rationalize. Okay? Understood? But the job is that if somebody gives you a number called a root 5 is sitting over a rational number, you need not rationalize it. Clear? But the job is every time it won't be coming in so smart form. So the form they will represent it. If you want to write something, write it. And now we will see how to convert complex irrational denominators to rational. That's our job all about in this chapter. We will be learning how to convert complex irrationals to rational. Man, aram se baithna. If there's nobody, you can split up and spit if you feel hot. Aram se baitho. Let her be there only. She is comfortable there. We have given her a dedicated fan. Cold water dispenser. If they show improvement, then I will again go back to normalcy one day to again check. Next class, I am again allowing molecules to associate the way they want. And my watch person will be, she will be our watch person. And if we report there's anything wrong, then again we will separate them. Be like Rishika, she's so attentive in class. Fine. So chalo, let's start our problems. Let's take our first problem. Our first problem is that we have to rationalize the denominator. Question 1, a 1 upon 3 plus root 2. Now look at the denominator first. Root 2 is irrational. This is rational. Rat plus irrat is always irrat. So this is irrational. Now we have to convert it into rational. In order to convert it into rational, we need something which we call as the rationalizing factor. That with what you multiply. rationalizing factor, and the rationalizing factor is the conjugate of the denominator. Conjugate of denominator. Hey, in Phoenix Green, what are you learning right now? Lines and angles, okay. Lines and angles. And before that, that's the only chapter or anything? Now you're studying statistics. They're going easy topics, okay. And in your school, Betu? This one, okay. Ahan, what are you studying in your school right now? Switch on your mic, beta, you're muted. Yeah. Yeah, I can hear you. Go ahead.
Holidays.
No. Prior to holidays, what did you study? Right now is holidays, I also know. What were you studying? You started number system. Times? Number system. Little bit of polynomial. And what about Birla? Coordinate geometry. Oh, that's it. But in coordinate geometry, they taught you the book part or the class 10 part also. Distance between 2 points, have they taught you? Section formula. Okay. And what about Glendale? Okay, fine. So we'll go by this. Rationalizing factor is the conjugate of the denominator. So how to understand what is conjugate of denominator? If your denominator is in the form of a plus b, b and a can be rational, irrational. The conjugate of this, we write the conjugate of a plus b like a bar on top is always a minus b. That is the conjugate. So we will multiply. So this is your rationalizing factor, and the rationalizing factor is multiplied both over the numerator and denominator. Means my next step for this problem will be that I will take 1 by 3 plus root 2 and I'll multiply it with 3 minus root 2 and 3 minus root 2. Children, just don't follow blindly. Keep in your mind, what is your target? Your target is to rationalize this. Once niche rational number ho gaya, life jinga lala. We don't want anything more than that. So if you look at the top, it becomes 3 minus root 2. Now the bottom is something like grade 8, a plus b multiplied by a minus b, which is a factorization formula of a square minus b square, which gives you further 3 minus root 2. 3 square is 9 and root 2 square is 4. No, 2. Sleeping. Root 2 square is 2, not 4. Right? Take your middle finger or you take your index finger, touch it on your nose, try to pull it. That's my ear. This is my nose. It shows whether you are awake or not. So this is root 3 minus 2 upon 7. So did we arrive at a rational number at the denominator? Yes. Do we have to do anything more? No, just get lost. So you can copy this and practice some more problems now.
3 minus root 2 upon...
I wrote that only. How come you all are so less attentive in class? What happened, Abhigya? You are so quiet today. No talking partner. You can talk to me. I am feeling so bad. Separating you three. God will send me to hell. That's for sure. And if you have done this, can you please try this question on your own? No, I'm not turning the page. The question to be done on your own. 8 plus 5 root 2. Try to rationalize this. Aram se. The child who does it fast and very quickly and correctly gets nothing. One who does it slowly but correctly and understands gets lots of electronic dairy milk. Akax. सर हो रहा है कि नहीं?
हो रहा है.
बिल्कुल गुड. So if you try to do it as mental mathematics, it will be 8 minus 5 root 2. Niche it will become 64, and 25 multiplied by 2, which will become 50. So it should be 8 minus 5 root 2 divided by 14. But you will show all steps. You are विद्यार्थी. Hey, why are you इधर आओ, इधर इधर बैठ. क्या हो गया, सो रही हो, लेट उठी क्या? Then come and sit here. इधर बैठना. वो कहाँ कोना में बैठती हो तुम? क्या? What is the so attraction with that wall? Come and sit here. इधर बैठ. छोड़ दो अपना टैबलेट. क्या हो गया आज? You are very, you didn't sleep properly. No, sit here ना. Sit on this side. Slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't get hurt. What happened? You woke up late. Then, no, you're not looking that energetic. Something. Are you ill? Then क्या हुआ? किसी ने मारा क्या? डांट पड़ी घर पे? खाना नहीं खाए? अच्छा, बिल्ली चोरी हो गई आपकी? फिर ऐसा मुंह क्यों? 100% मम्मा ने दिया होगा आज डोज ना, मिलना चाहिए. व्हाट डू यू थिंक? आई थिंक डोज गिरा है इसको. टॉनिक.
Sir, 8 minus.
हाँ 8 माइनस, हाँ उसका भी छोटा है, ठीक है चले. ओके एक और. हाउ मच did you get this? Right, good. Let's do one more. Okay, all of you could get that answer. Let's do one more. Our next question would be ding. Okay, let's now take it like this. I have a number 6 minus 4 root 3 divided by 6 plus 4 root 3. Can you try to rationalize this number? Let's do it together, okay? We have to rationalize what? Denominator. ऊपर कुछ भी रहे, even if it is Salman Khan on top, we are least bothered. We are only bothered about the denominator. So how to rationalize it? We take 6 minus 4 root 3 as usual, and we will multiply by the conjugate of the denominator. So 6 plus 4 root 3 multiplied by 6 minus 4 root 3 multiplied by 6 minus 4 root 3. So on top it now becomes a minus b whole square. This is some interesting observation on the numerator. Denominator is a square minus b square. So what do you get on numerator? A square minus 2 into a into b plus b square divided by a square minus 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 is 48. देखो तो, have you understood till here? Clear?
Sir, वो वाला part है.
कौन सा बेटो? ये वाला a minus b whole square. अच्छा चलो आपके साथ करते हैं, कलर बदल बदल के. ओके a, अरे यार, ओके a minus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Class 8, correct? Fine now. And नीचे we are what? नीचे we are a square minus b square. We go further. चलें? आइए. Let's solve it further. 6 square will give me a 36. 2 into 6 is how much? 12. 12 into 4 is 48. However, negative 48 root 3. And 4 square is 16. 16 into 3 is how much? 48. Upon what, children? 36 minus 48. 36 to 46 is 10. And 48 means negative 12. Which gives you how much? 36 and 48. 48, 58, 68, 78, 84. Hey, it cannot be 83. Even and even cannot be 83. 84. 84 minus 48 root 3. Sorry, root 3 divided by negative 12. Now learn how to swap the bottom negative. If you swap the bottom negative, the top gets multiplied by minus 1. So your number now becomes negative 84 plus 48 root 3 divided by 12. And if you don't know the table of 12, 12 7 84, 12 4 48. So the number now becomes negative 7 plus 4 root 3 If you want it to look better, you can write as 4 root 3 minus 7, all the same.
You can stop at like minus 84 plus 48 root 3 by 12.
हाँ, पर ये कटता है ना, और काटो ना भाई. If you can, when you've been given the ask of peeling a potato, peel it properly, my child. It looks good. Are we done? Let's take another type of problem. Anyone has any confusion? Ahan, any confusion on this? No confusion. Very good. All bright children. Hey, Advait, what are you dreaming at? Some photograph of your girlfriend beside? Continuously with hand on your lips, and you're looking, admiring how beautiful she's looking today. I admire your beauty. Dhyan de is pe. You're not writing anything. I don't see your right hand shoulder moving. Don't bluff me. Chale aage. Which one did you understand? You don't understand when I ask you. Why was your mouth shut before that? Tell me, what did you not understand? This one? Arre, you whole day play video game. That's why your mind has become brushed. See, my number is a negative 84 plus a 48 root 3 upon 12. Advait, right from here you are not understanding, correct? This is paternal property, will be divided between brother and sister. This is like a negative 84 by 12 plus 48 by 12 root 3. Baby steps, 12, 7, 84, 12, 4, 48, negative 7 plus 4 root 3. Children, do you understand now? Your voice is coming low, beta. What happened? Adjust your microphone. Speak now. Yeah, this is fine, because before that it was that typical dating wala voice volume. You're looking good. What did you eat today? Nobody else understand. Ah, look at Ekak, she's smiling. Sir ko kaise pata? मैं तो ऐसे ही बात करता हूँ. Sir को कैसे पता? चले आगे. चलिए एक नया टाइप का प्रॉब्लम देखते हैं. Something new. Something new, something new, something new. Yeah. Okay. Yo. So this is a different, and this is the type of problem we'll do now. Is the problem that you get more in school tests and all. We have got a 3 plus root 2. Right here. And we've got a 3 minus root 2. I'm very sad after yesterday's match when Rajasthan lost. Yeah, I always support weaker teams that do too much of show off. I never like when Bangalore loses. I really have one extra roti. Mumbai loses. I have one ice cream also, because they only show their money part. They'll bring all film stars. But when Suryavanshi and all they win it, I feel that गरीब लोग जीता है ना, मेरे को बहुत खुशी होता है. This team, Hyderabad is also like that. But when they play for India, I support them. We'll get it as a plus b root 2. Children, in this problem, we have to convert this, means rationalize this, and ultimately we have to find the value of a and b. ठीक है ना? ये problem हमें दिया है. They are asking us to find the value of a and b, right? So you remember, you take it like this. Take it like this. They have asked you to find out a plus b root 2. Okay, don't do the problem. ये तो अभी क्या शुरू हो गया करना है, एकदम CBSE बच्चा. Okay, we solve this. After we solve this, we get something like this. See, we get a duck, and we get a mango. Okay, and we get a root 2. Now, can you tell me what is the value of a? A is duck, B is mango. Right? How did you do? Comparing the coefficients and terms on both sides, or you can write comparing the terms on both sides. A is duck, B is mango. So our job in this problem is to convert this number into a duck mango root 2 format. क्या तुम्हारा स्कूल तुम्हें ये लैंग्वेज बोलेगा? नहीं बोलेगा. और स्कूल जो सिखाएगा उसमें एक अभिज्ञा पैदा होगा जो सर मैम आई नो द आंसर. मैथ्स का मजा लो. चलो, let's start. So how we'll do it? We will go by rationalizing. The only tool we have is rationalizing. So left hand side, our lahas is what? 3 plus root 2, 3 minus root 2. So start rationalizing it. 3 plus root 2 gets multiplied with 3 plus root 2, 3 plus root 2, and this is 3 minus root 2. Is it anything Hebrew and Latin so far? No, you know these steps, right? So your top becomes what, beta? Top becomes 3 plus root 2. Oh, my English is very bad. Whole square by 3 square and root 2 square. Got it? Mood कर रहा है. Today I'll teach in my mother tongue. Bengali English में पढ़ाऊंगा. Then we get a 3 square and 3 plus 2 whole square. So let's solve the numerator. 3 square plus 2 into 3 into root 2 plus root 2 square divided by 9 minus 2. Agreed? How much do we get? 9 plus 6 root 2 plus 2 divided by 7. How much does this yield you? It yields you 11 plus 6 root 2 by 7. Right? Once you have done this much, let me know, we will proceed together. So we have solved our LHS and we have rationalized the denominator. मत डरो ना, इतना आया कि नहीं बोलो? क्यों नहीं आया? कुछ गलत किया होगा. देखो 3 square is 9, 2 into 3 is 6. ऋषिका आराम से उठना है बेटा, चोट ना लगे. And then आ गया? All of you are here. Can we now proceed? सर नीचे करके मत आओ, देख के आओ. हाँ, वो क्या है, उसमें पानी है क्या? मैं तो सोचा सेरिलैक है. Okay. Now we can write now. Now अभी क्या हो गया? Our problem is what? 11 plus 6 root 2 upon 7 is equal to A plus B root 2. Still it is not same, so we have to do like Advait, what he asked us. Baby steps. Baby steps. Deliberately I am changing color. Deliberately I am changing color for your mind to light up. You know, mind is a very dangerous thing. Has your mind lit up now? You understand. So you write in English a small sentence comparing the terms, comparing the terms from Russia. What do you get? A is equal to Vladimir upon Davilovsky and B is equal to Mikhailov over Alexia Dovrolenko. Problem is done. Did you understand? Anyone has any queries? Hey, Mr. Dating, have you understood? Yeah, you only. Who else? Have you understood or not? Shall we go ahead? I have only one question. Like sometimes I think you all are 15 years, maybe 15. Somebody is not yet 15, will turn 15. Grade 9, na 14 years. तुम लोगों से मैं 3 गुना उम्र में बड़ा हूं. मैं इतना जोश रखता हूं. Look at your faces. ऐसा लगता है लास्ट नाइट किसी का किडनी चोरी हो गया है, किसी का हार्ट चोरी हो गया है, किसी का मुंह तो ऐसा है, आहन ऐसा मुंह बना के बैठा है. You know what is this? I told you once. Frustrated one-sided singles lovers association. Girlfriend ने धोखा दे दिया कल रात से, and I'm not eating. What do I do without her in my life? और सुनो, job, bus, girlfriend or boyfriend. Remember these 3 things in your life. If you ever miss them, there is always a replacement. So never cry on them. A missed job, a missed bus, or a metro in today's language, and a ditched girlfriend or a boyfriend. In तीनों पे अगर if you are crying in life ना, you are the worthless person in this world. Be like me. See how vibrant I am. I never cry. And if you ask me how am I? How are you doing, Jaideep, today? 3F. 3F. Fit, fine, fantastic. I also have a lot of tensions on my head. I also have a lot of problems. उनको यहाँ पे नहीं लाने का. Life is very short, man. Enjoy. हर दिन दशहरा, एवरी डे इज दशहरा, एवरी नाइट इज दिवाली, हर रात दिवाली। ऐसे जियो यार, क्या यार, क्लास 9 में पढ़े हो, दैट टू समबडी लाइक मी हु इज टीचिंग, हु वाज सो मच ह्यूमर जला। If a dolphin could have smiled, would have smiled more than you guys. एक का मुंह देखो, वो एकाक्ष का मुंह देखो, कल रात ही चोरी हो गई थी, लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन तो ले गया, स्मॉल में भी डाका डाला था, पर किसी तरह मैंने रोक लिया, स्मॉल बचा रहा, लार्ज तो चोरी हो गया। कहां से गया? यही से निकाल के ले गया, आंख के, अभी एफआईआर दर्ज करके आया हूं पुलिस स्टेशन। मतलब सच में यार, if I sometimes think of changing my classroom to some cemetery, you know, कब्र को भी पढ़ाऊंगा ना, some in loving memory of some Briganza D'Souza, she will also raise her hand. May I answer, sir? I'm liking your class. They also speak, but you all don't speak. चलो ये करो, root 11 minus root 7 divided by root 11 plus root 7 equals to a minus b root 77 or 7, yeah, 77, yeah. Actually 77, 77, some garbage. It should be root 7, root 7 होना चाहिए। चलो करो इसको, हाँ। No, it's root 77 only. ठीक है, करेक्ट है, 11 और 7 है ना, I didn't see that, 77 कीजिए। Yes, Om, are you doing or not? ना खाली वीडियो प्लेइंग?
Sir.
हाँ, कॉपी उठा के दिखाओ और कैमरा थोड़ा नीचे करो। मैं सीलिंग थोड़ी देखना है, आपको देखना है। कैमरा नीचे करो थोड़ा, हाँ ऐसे बैठो, आई शुड सी योर शोल्डर्स। हेडफोन क्यों पहनते हो? घर में कोई नहीं सुने डांट पड़ने से।
Then my laptop.
Don't give me that story. Every laptop speaker works. Every laptop. You just open and speak. Let me see whether I can hear you or not. Like you, 50 children join me every year. I handle 50 different mics. खोल के बात कर. Unjack the laptop and talk. Yeah. Next time get the laptop to my class. I will repair it. Don't worry. हाँ, ये टेक्निक क्या है पता है ना? घर वाले नहीं सुने मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ, डांट पड़ेगी ना तो वो मेरे कानों में ही आएगा। ऐसे कितने लोग देख लिए। हाँ, कितना मिला? A equal to B equal to 1 by 2. Yes, speak loudly. You will, if you are right or wrong. How by 2? B equal to root 70. B equal to half. Correct. So let's keep doing this problem. What is the LHS? So I'm jumping steps. You all don't jump steps. LHS would be root 11 minus root 7 whole square divided by 11 minus 7, which will give me 11 plus 7 minus 2 root 77 divided by a 4. 11 plus 7 is how much, beta? 18 minus 2 by 4 root 77. So ultimately it will be 2 9s are 18, 2 2s are 4 and half root 77. So A will take the value of 9 by 2, B will take the value of 1 by 2. So all this cat and donkey problem you know very nicely. Now let's move to something more super critical. I can't wait that 1 minute. 1 minute मत बोलो. Now we will do a problem which many of you must have done in grade 8, but again you will encounter that technique and you will say, sir, मैं भूल गया था. Shall we? चले? Next problem. Next problem says, if x equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, we have a x which is equal to 3 plus root 2. Find x square plus 1 by x square. Children, there is a technique to do this problem. I will not teach the problem, I'll just tell you the technique. Whenever you see a x square plus 1 by x square, you should always first concentrate on this plus sign. So put a plus. X and this is plus. X 1 by x means you should think of x by 1 by x whole square. Understood? Try to expand this. This is x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, which is finally x square plus 1 by x square plus 2. Do you agree or not? Right? What have you been asked to find out? You have been asked to find out the value of this. That is this. And this cannot be directly found out. So we will actually find out what is x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. This is nothing but x square plus 1 by x square. So by an indirect method, we have to solve this actually. समझ में आया? We have to solve x plus 1 by x. Which one, beta? Blue color formula is beta e plus b whole square, e square plus b square plus 2a into b. ठीक है ना? Done. Very good. Excellent, Abhigya. After changing your seat in the class, I am seeing super development in you. Maybe if I throw you out of the class, you will become the champion. Okay, so let's do. So we'll write. You have to first write how to write this formula in proper manner. So let's first write the problem, how to present the problem. We will write x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 by x square plus 2 into x into 1 by x, which tells me that x square plus 1 by x square is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square minus 2. देखो तो बच्चा, ये समझ में आया? सेम थिंग आया तो समझ में? जबरदस्ती सर मत हिलाइए, देखिए आपको समझ में आया कि नहीं. I just retained it on one side, brought it on this side. ठीक है? So you have to solve this. हाँ, क्यों प्लस होगा? ये उस साइड आ गया ना. प्लस तब होगा जब यहां पे माइनस होगा. Shall we? Now we write x square plus 1 by x whole square is equal to, now your hard work starts, 3 plus root 2 whole square plus 1 by 3 plus root 2. 3 plus 2 root 2. It's 3 plus 2 root 2, sorry. So we write 3 plus 2 root 2 from next class. Oh, we have exponent. You all did exponents in this chapter, exponents problem? Yeah. We'll do one more class and then we will move into what you call polynomials. Plus 1 by. Right. Don't solve them simultaneously. You will make your notebook much more clumsy. Whatever you solve for this, वही तो इधर बिठाना है ना. So you can write solving for 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. Let's solve it. How much do you get, bacha? 3 square plus 2 into 3 into 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2 whole square. which gives me a 9 plus 4 3s are 12 root 2 plus 4 square into 2 is 8. 9 plus 8 is 17 plus 12 root 2. Got this, all of you? Right? Mark this as A. Therefore means plug point. A becomes what? Instead of writing A becomes, you now solve this will be more better. Now solving for 1 by 17 plus 12 root 2. So rationalize this. It becomes 17 minus 12 root 2 divided by 17 square minus 12 root 2 whole square. Did you understand this step? You have rationalized this denominator. So what is the numerator? The numerator is 17 minus 12 root 2. What is the denominator? 17 square. 200. 16 is 256. So 17 should be some 9. What 9? 17 square. 289. 289. 289. 12 is how much? 144. 144 multiplied by 2 should be 289. Sorry, 289. And 12 is 144 multiplied by 2, 100, 140, 100, 200, 40, 40, 80, 448. So 288. Correct. 12 square is 144. 144 multiplied by 2, 288. कौन सा? अब ये कितना हो गया? 1 हो गया. तो ये कितना हो गया? 17 minus 12 root 2. Correct? Now we have to simplifying A. Now just simplify A. X square plus 1 by x square will be equal to how much? इसका वैल्यू है आपके पास 17 plus 12 root 2, and then you have to add what? The reciprocal. So the reciprocal is 17 minus 12 root 2. Cutting. This is 34. मजा आई? All of you understood? आया कि नहीं आया? ये अदिति तुम्हारा बीच में ऐसा मुंह करके रहते हो ना, मतलब कहीं से प्लैनेट से लेके आया हो. Thus you understood this? So if you see, to do these problems, all you need is what in English we call as patience. And you need to be very careful. Don't plug earphones and do this problem, then every minus will be written as plus. And avoid doing in small copies, if I keep saying, because the more you turn pages, the more you will turn and write 2 as 3, 3 as 2, and then it will become gigo. Garbage in is equal to garbage out. Very good. You are very smart children. So, you can say, sir, can you please step aside? Sir, move. बाहर निकलो यहाँ से. क्या इंग्लिश बोलते हो? Sir, move. I had uploaded the RS Agarwal soft copy also on Teams. So you can do, there's an exercise 1F, which is all about such problems only. Or if your school has given you a worksheet, more than enough. But please do these problems. Till we move into something now called exponents. How difficult you all are sitting down. Shall we move into exponents, dear children? Yeah? Forgive me for the sins I am doing with you. Okay, this chapter also has a pullout of something called exponents. Exponents now in grade 8, new book is called Power Play. Chapter's name is Power Play. Algebraic expression chapter name is We Multiply Things Distribute. Yeah. The textbook has changed. Your textbook has also changed. That is Ganita Prakash. Yours is Ganita something new. Chalo, exponents. A number a to the power b, where b is known as a power. B can also be called as an indices, or b is also called as exponent, and a is known as bus. I hope you remember. So shall we start with the laws of exponents? The laws of exponent first deal with multiplication of numbers which have the same basis. Maganlal equal to Maganlal, then the Chaganlals get added, which means a to the power m into b to the power m. A to the power m into a to the power n. A to the power m plus n. Clear? A to the power m divided by a to the power n, a to the power m minus n. Number 3, a to the power m whole thing to the power n is equal to a to the power mn. Number 4, a to the power m, b to the power m can be written as ab to the power m. Number 5, a to the power minus m is 1 by a to the power m. Number 6, a to the power laddu equal to 1. Number 7, nth root of a is a to the power 1 by a. Almost all done. Shall we? थोड़ा क्लास 8 से नेट है बच्चा थोड़ा मेहनत वहाँ डिजिटल में भी आते रहता हूँ भी है बस. I still have 17 more minutes to eat your head. Oh my God! OMG! Oh my God! Look at Mishka. How much she's enjoying the class. Not like you fellows. Only counting for the hours and minutes to pass by. Look at Ekaksh. He's frozen since last 40 minutes. But still there he is in the class. I don't know, deliberately he does these things or something like that. Whatever quality of laptop or iPad he uses, we should appreciate that, because now if you just scold him once, everything will go. Hey, Ekaksh! Ekaksh! No, after some time he'll come online. So gaya hoga abhi wo. And it's a change that he's sitting on the chair and attending the class. Usually he always... we didn't see him on the bed today. He's actually right now on the bed. That's why he's frozen. Yeah. Or else he has to always go to the washroom. चले? इतना washroom कहाँ से आता है? इतना क्या खाता है? उसका mass flow equation ही गड़बड़ है body में. Shall we? So you won't get very easy problems here, children. But the problems will be a little bit toughy. They'll give you a toughy with that. Let's evaluate. 32 to the power 1 upon 5 plus negative 7 to the power motichur ka laddu is 64 to the power half. So remember, all these additions are possible only when you bring them into real numbers. हाँ, तो ये क्या है? छुपा के दे रहा है सब कुछ ऐसे. It is actually 2 to the power 5. The questions are like this. अरे उसके देवर की सास की बड़ी बहू की बहन की भौजाई की ननद की सास की जेठ की बीवी के साथ वैसे करके कुछ देगा. अरे वही तो हुआ ना, मोनू टू दी पावर 5. हाँ तो आसान बोलो ना ऐसे. मोनू. Then negative 7 to the power 0. Donkey to the power 0 is 1. So negative 7 to the power 0 is 1. हाँ बोलो.
No. Slog के हिसाब से और 2 to the power 5.
नहीं हमने कुछ नहीं किया, हमने 32 को 2 to the power 5 लिखा. अब आगे देखेंगे. हाँ वो आगे स्टेप में करेंगे ना. पहले आप स्टार्टर खाइए, उसके बाद हम डेजर्ट्स देंगे आपको. और इसको क्या लिख सकते हैं? एटम स्क्वायर हाफ. Sir, why did you write as 8 square? Why did you not write it in terms of 2? Because my concentrations are on this number. Because in my next step, here 5 will be multiplying by 1 by 5, which will give a superior combination of only 1. They'll cancel each other. So always look into this number and express this number as an exponent of that number only. Makes sense? Plus 1. And 8 becomes 2 into half, which is 2 into gone. Which brings us back to 2 plus 1 plus 8. If you don't know, oh, Abhiki, I will recommend the Nobel for you. She really solved it well, 11. You deserve it. This year's Nobel Prize. Done? Very good. Whenever I see Ahan's mic now, I feel like he should write something on that. Fox Sports, ABC Sports, the mic is right on his.
Minus 0. Minus become plus.
Which one? Anything to the power 0 is 1.
So it can be the negative.
Also, they 7 becomes 1. So it be
If we are not treating as so that we will write as 7 to the power 0 into minus 1 to the power 0. 7 to the power 0 is 1, minus 1 to the power 0 is also 1. Have you understood? Let's take another problem. After doing this problem, many children had to be rushed to the hospital. 0.00032 to the power negative 2 by 3. And we will go by baby steps. We will go absolutely by baby steps. ठीक है ना? चलें? Baby steps में चलेंगे. First of all, bring it into rational number form. What is the rational number form for this? 32, right? Divided by how much? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है ना? हाँ. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3. As many number of zeros. To the power negative 2 by 3. Agreed? No.
2 by 3.
First somersault it. Somersault. So it becomes 5 zeros divided by 32. This becomes 3 upon 2.
2 by 3. Right?
Sorry. 2 by 3. Will it be?
Yeah. Yeah. It will be 2 by 3.
Check. देखो. A to the power negative 2 by 3 becomes 1 by a to the power what?
2 by 3.
And you are trying to write it as now a to the power. अब क्या होगा अगर हम a के टर्म्स में लिखे तो a again if you switch it, but are you allowed to switch it again? How can you switch it again? You can't switch it again. You can't switch it again. How can you switch 1 by a 1 by a to the power 2 by 3 cannot be 2 by 3. So what you said is correct. It's 2 by 3. No, you should test it. Now do. How will you simplify?
By yes.
No, not divide by 2. Before that, why are you dividing unnecessarily by 2? 3 लाना है ना? 1, 2. You have 3? No. How to make it 2 by 3 now? How to cancel it? Use your mathematical skills. Hello. 32 is what? 2 to the power? 5. 2 to the power 5. And what is this? 10 to the power? 10 to the power 5 or 4?
5. 5. 5. 4. 5. 5.
What is 10 to the power? चलो अभिज्ञा को क्लियर करते हैं. अभिज्ञा, 10 is 10 to the power 1. 0 is grade 8. 10 to the power 0. 100 is
Oh.
what is the pattern you are observing? What is the pattern? Number of zeros is always the exponent. When the exponent was this. Sorry, I started with the wrong number. This is 1. Right? Now what will be the top number? 10 to the power 5 divided by 2 to the power 5 to the power 2 upon 3. So it should be equal to how much? 5 to the power 5 to the power 2 by 3. So it becomes 5 to the power 10 by 3. That's it. Okay, can you do this? Try to do cube root of 343 minus 2. Try to do this part. Simplify.
minus 5.
minus 2 है अंदर. करो 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 हो जाएगा.
To the power minus 2.
To the power minus 2. और आपको क्या दिख रहा है?
One by 49.
How much have you got?
1 by 4.
1 by 49 looks to be the correct answer. Anyone else? Online, you all can also speak. Remaining, you got 1 by 49. Very good. So let us try and do this. What is the answer? We have cube root. What is this? Is 1 by 343. We can write it as whole square. Means the same thing, right? 343 means what?
Yeah, 17 is the
This is square.
no, if you find here, go to 1 by 3, 1 by 17. Because for that, 1 by 49. Yeah.
Solve this first. How to solve this? Because you all are not going by the steps. क्या हो गया आद्या? इसको करने में क्या problem हो रहा है? Can I not write this as 1 by 343 square, right? And how do you mention cube root? Not minus 1 by 3, 1 by 3. Right? Agreed? Now 343 can be written as what? Whose cube? 7's cube. Yeah, 7's cube. So can we write this as 1 by 7? 7's cube means 1 cube, same thing. You can put the cube here also. And then you have a square. And then you have a 1 by 3. Agreed? So finally it is a 1 by 7 to the power 3 into 2 into 1 by 3. 3 and 3 cancel. So it is a 1 by 7 whole square, which is a 1 upon 49, which is correct. Okay. One more. One more. Then we can give you a worksheet and this will be enough for this chapter. Next chapter we'll start polynomials. X to the power minus 4, y to the power minus 10, x to the power minus 4, y to the power minus 10, 5 by 4. You just simplify it. You have to just simplify. So this can be written as y can go on top as 10 and x will come in the bottom as 4. Then we have what? 5 by 4. Now what do you do? Just check. We can take y 10 into 5 by 4 and similarly you can take x 4 into 5 by 4. So how much do you get for x? It becomes x to the power 5. and for y it will be 2 to the power 4, 2 5s are 10, so it will be 25 by 2.
Why?
और simplify करके something beautiful, can you make it? I'm just saying, even if you write it this much, it is correct. But if you just think, you have a y, you have a 25, and you have a 1 by 2, right? You have a x to the power 5. Fine. So can I write this as y square to the power 5? No, we can't write it. 5 square we can make it. We can make it y to the power 5. No, it will not go further. छोड़ दो इसको. नहीं, ये नहीं जाएगा. It will be remaining here. ऐसे रहेगा. So this is your answer. ठीक है? इसमें हाँ बोलिए. ये x to the power m to the power n is x to the power mn. This exercise requires a lot of practice, huh? रुको इतना उतावले मत हो जाओ. One very common problem that comes in every school, and then I'll let you go. X to the power p by x to the power q to the power p plus q, okay, into x to the power q by x to the power, no, x to the power r. Very good. R. So p q q r. So this is q plus r into x to the power, it will be what? R and p now. R and x to the power p. Now what should be the exponent? P plus p? R plus p. You need to find this value. Children, whenever you get such problems, answers are either 1 or 0. Answers will be either 1 or 0. Did I write it rightly? P plus Q, Q plus R plus P. Yeah. So here we will use the division rule. This becomes x to the power P minus Q to the power P plus Q. X to the power P minus Q. This becomes x to the power Q minus R. Sorry, Q minus R to the power Q plus R. And this becomes x to the power R minus P to the power R plus P. Now these are a plus b into a minus b. So each of them can be written as x to the power p square minus q square, x to the power q square minus r square, x to the power r square minus p square. ठीक बच्चा? Now look here. Maganlal, Maganlal, Maganlal. The base is same. Therefore, all the Chaganlals can be added. So you make a common x, p square q square plus q square minus r square plus r square minus p square. Then take out your most favorite red color and start playing the game. P square, q square, r square. So it becomes x to the power motichur ka laddu, which is equal to 1. This concludes our class on number system. Now it is up to you to first practice. You have the NCERT book already there on the website. You have the RS Agarwal with you. You have your school worksheets if done. And then we move on to polynomials. And polynomials will be there in grade 10 also. You're just learning chapter 1. So you should be learning it properly. And in 11 onwards, polynomials makes your life. It makes your life a paneer. So please study polynomials properly. With this, we conclude our class for today. And देखो एक आख live आ गया अभी. Whenever the class ends, he comes live.
Sir,
Ah,
my portions came out of my exam next week.
yeah. What are your portions?
For math, it's only number system.
Very good. So you should get full marks.
Yeah. For science, it's motion.
Very good.
Then for and chemistry also, that first chapter was got moved.
Okay. So put all your video games in the Almirah and start studying. That's all. That's the only way. Okay? Right. So we'll conclude our class today.